Let's have a look at some patterns we can use when we're multiplying. Double is something that's really useful when we want to multiply by 2. 2 times 3, or two groups of 3, is 3 plus 3, or the double of 3, which equals 6. When we divide by 2, we take half of a number. 6 divided by 2 is the same as half of 6, which equals 3. So we can always split a number in half if we're dividing by 2. Groups of, or multiplying, can be done with skip counting. 5 groups of 3 means we could count by 3s. So imagine groups of 3 bananas, and there are 5 of them. We can count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So there are 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 groups of 2, well, that's the same thing as 2, 4, 6. So skip counting is really useful. If we multiply by 10, we can then use that answer to help us multiply by 5. 10 times 3 is the same as 3 times 10 using turnarounds. And I'm going to skip count 10, 20, 30. Now when I have 10 times 3 and I get 30, if I need to work out 5 times 3, 5 is half of 10, so my answer to 5 times 3 will be half of 10 times 3, or half of 30. Half of 30, well, what if I split 30 into 20 and 10? And I take half of 20, which is 10, and half of 10, which is 5, and I get 15. So 3 times 10 equals 30, and 3 times 5 is half of that, which is 15.